Hey there, ErrandWorks community. Welcome back to another video where we make errands easy and fun. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we've got tips and tricks to help you get things done without breaking a sweat. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive into today's topic. Here's your guide to getting things done with ErrandWorks. Errands are an inevitable part of life, but with ErrandWorks, they don't have to be a hassle. This guide will show you how ErrandWorks can help you manage your errands with ease and a bit of humor. The Errand Express. Let's kick things off by acknowledging that errands can be overwhelming. But fear not, ErrandWorks is here to streamline the process. Whether it's picking up groceries or walking a dog, ErrandWorks makes it easy to get things done without stress. Now that we know errands can be managed smoothly, let's talk about clarity. Know what you want. Clarity is key. Before you start, be clear about what you need. ErrandWorks allows you to specify your tasks in detail, ensuring that both you and your service provider are on the same page. Clear instructions lead to efficient completion. With clarity in mind, let's move on to prioritizing those tasks. The art of prioritization, what's hot and what's not. Not all errands are created equal. With ErrandWorks, you can prioritize your tasks by urgency and importance. This ensures that critical errands are completed first, leaving you with more time to relax. Now that you're organized, let's explore the best way to manage your errands. ErrandWorks provides a seamless platform for managing your errands. Whether through our app or website, you can communicate your needs, track progress in real time, and enjoy transparency throughout the process. Timing is everything, so let's see how to get it right. Plan ahead and communicate your needs in advance with ErrandWorks. Respecting your service provider's schedule helps build a positive relationship and ensures that tasks are completed when needed. With timing sorted, let's focus on the details. Avoid surprises by being specific with your requests. ErrandWorks allows you to provide detailed instructions, ensuring that your errands are completed to your satisfaction. Now, let's add a little fun to the process. Errands don't have to be dull. Use ErrandWorks to add a touch of humor to your requests, making the process enjoyable for everyone involved. A little laughter can brighten anyone's day. As we lighten the mood, let's remember the importance of feedback. Encourage feedback from your service provider through ErrandWorks. Open communication fosters collaboration and ensures accuracy in completing your tasks. A simple thank you. Show appreciation for your errand runner's hard work by expressing gratitude through ErrandWorks. A simple thank you can boost morale and strengthen your relationship. Finally, let's simplify the process. Log into ErrandWorks and request services directly. Our platform matches you with the best vendor, saving time and ensuring clarity. You can track progress and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion. ErrandWorks makes mastering the art of errand communication simple and enjoyable. With our platform, you can manage errands efficiently and with a touch of humor. Try ErrandWorks today and discover how easy getting things done can be. Thanks for tuning in to ErrandWorks today. We hope you found some valuable insights to make your errands a breeze. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to simplify your life. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Until next time, keep those errands easy and fun.